Hi, I wanted to tell you about this cutting board soap that I bought. I have recently switched over from plastic cutting boards to wooden cutting boards, but the thing that was nice about the plastic is you could put them in the dishwasher, and you don't do that with wooden cutting boards. So I have been using this. I did use this side with some oil and wax as well, but this side I was cutting bread and buttering it, and so I've got some butter spots here and just kind of lots of breadcrumbs and stuff. So we are going to use the soap on this. I'll show you how it works. Okay, so I've just wet down my cutting board and just going to pour a little bit of the soap. That was probably too much. You really don't need that much. But I'm just going to kind of work it into the wood grain here. And then when I'm done with this, I will rinse it off and use a dry cloth to dry it off, and then it will be much cleaner than it was before. That's what we do. I'm going to dry this off, and then then the soap has cleaned it, the butter will be gone, and this is just a really good step to use before you would use any type of cutting board oil or wax. Thanks.